Do you need to install NodeJS on a Linux system? No problem. You can install it from the operating system repositories or a version manager like NVM or ASDF or even Docker. But I'm just going to install and configure it directly. So, in a browser, go to nodejs.org and click on Get Node.js. And we can see a really handy command line builder to use if you're installing from the terminal. With it, we can select the Node version that we want, the platform, the installer we're using, and which package manager we want included, and it will build all the commands to install. But I'm just going to download a pre-built binary for Linux running on x64 architecture, and the npm package manager will be included by default. Go to our downloads directory, open the archive file, and extract the contents. I like to extract programs like this to my op directory. It just keeps my home directory cleaner. And with our node folder extracted to the op directory, we can go to the op directory, there's our extracted directory. Press F2 to edit the directory name and copy the name of the directory instead of editing it. We need the directory name to alter our path in our bashrc file. So go to our home directory and view the hidden files. There's our bashrc file. Open the file and add these lines at the end of the file. It simply says path equals the path to the node directory's bin subdirectory, then a colon, then reappend our existing path. Now we export the new path. Close our file, hide my hidden files again. I like to use Ctrl+H key on Linux for this. Open a terminal and type node. And my D key doesn't work sometimes. There we see node related stuff. If you do a lot of work with Node or build applications for Node, you may find a version manager or Docker more useful, but this has worked great for me so far.